This is a review of the Decla Sunrise Alarm Clock. I got this off Amazon and it has a ton of features, but I personally love and use this because of its dual alarm feature and the fact that it has nature sound options instead of those blaring siren sounds most alarm clocks have. And of course, the sunrise simulation. I'm not always a morning person, so this helps me especially on those mornings when I want to wake up before the sunrise. Now, I was worried that the nature sounds would be too soft and wouldn't actually wake me up. For example, I like to use this bird chirping sound, but it actually does wake me up. I also like to set my sunrise to gradually get brighter 15 minutes before my alarm, which surprisingly does help to wake me up slowly instead of abruptly with a headache like I used to. This alarm clock has helped me to wake up earlier and to improve my morning routine and make the most of my day, so I love it.